we need to find the negation of the statement, if I become a teacher, then I will open a school. Here we can say that it's a if-then conditional statement. So let us find how to do the negation of if and then. First of all, let us make the truth table. Let this represent the statement P, and this is for Q, and this is for if P then Q. Let us give the values. This is true, true, and this is false, false. This is true, false, true, false. Now if P is true, Q is true, then it will be a true. If P is true but Q is false, then it's a false. If P is false, Q is true, that is true, and if both are false, it will be true only. Now we need to find negation of if P then Q. So this true will turn out to be a false, this false will turn out to be a true, this true will be a false one, and this true will be a false one. True turns out to be a false, true turns out to be a false, false becomes a true, and true becomes a false because of negation. Now we know that this is equal to P conjunction negation Q. Negation of if P then Q is same as P conjunction negation Q. And let me show you how is it. We need to again make the truth table. The first represents P statement, the second column represents Q, the third represents the negation of Q, and the third P conjunction negation of Q. The last one, the last column, fourth column represent that thing. So let us write some value. True, true, false, false. Q will be true, false, and true, false. Now negation of Q will be if true is there, it will turn out to be a false. If false is there, it will be a true. So similarly we filled up the column number 3. Now P conjunction negation Q will be true, false will be a false, true and true, that only will be the true. That is, if both the situations are true, then only we have a true in conjunction. If one is false, another is false, that will definitely be a false. One is false, one is true, that will be a false. Now if we check, we can see yes, they are the same. False, true, false, false. So both are equivalent. Therefore in a statement also we need to write P conjunction negation Q. The statement P is if I become a teacher, that is I become a teacher, then this conjunction is represented as and. The statement Q is I will open a school, but here it's a negation of Q, so we will be writing the negation Q is I will not open a school. So if I become a teacher and I will not open a school, that should be the negation of given statement. Let's check which is the correct option. I will become a teacher and I will not open a school. That's the statement A. So for the fifth question, it's this first option that is the correct one.